And the races on snake me spaghetti fast begin golden money. Careless whisper down on the inside, rushing up is Janet Lynn, running by Daryl Brown, baby nice and easy typhoon doring. A snake me spaghetti by about 3 lengths, followed by golden money in second. Careless whisper racing third by about 2 lengths, rushing up nice and easy brown baby. Janet Lynn, second last, and Typhoon Doding. Another 4 turns, make me spaghetti by a length and a half, and on the outside, golden money, careless whisper, nice and easy. Janet Lynn, racing on the outside, fifth, and Typhoon Doding. As they raise the last 500, golden money, snake me spaghetti. Janet Lynn racing on the outside, taking the second spot as they raise the last 200. Golden money, Janet Lynn on the outside, and nice and easy Typhoon Doring, but still golden money, Janet Lynn is on the outside. Golden money, Janet Lynn, nice and easy in between runners, moves up. It's now nice and easy. Second, 1A golden money, Janet Lynn, Typhoon Doring, Careless Whisper, Brown Baby, and Snake Me